Hello all the warriors, this is Roy and welcome to Arena. Today we're going to talk about the setting board. So except the function on the setting board, is there anything else that you can use by the setting board? So this is our today's topic. Alright, so let's start today's video. Let's go. So here we're gonna do a quick review on this. So you can see there is like a box here. So it's lined up a box over here. So what you have to do, you just need to put your car on, and then as long as you're not over the line, even though on the side, like how long your car is 165, white is 105, and that's what you check. Is your car is qualified or not. And also there is a maximum height for 70, so you just need to check like this and check is that your car is qualified for the 70 or not. And the other thing here is the tire diameter here is a 22 millimeter 35. So this is what we check our wheels and the tires, is that pass or not, is that too small or too big. Okay, that's what we check. And here is the size for the tire, and checking like this, and there's a minimum 8 millimeter and the maximum 26 millimeter. So that's how you check. Okay, so I think this is pretty basic, like most people should know about it. And of course the setting board that you can using the brake checker and just check your brake, because this is the flat surface, so you shouldn't have a problem for if you're checking the brake levels on the setting board. So as long as you can pass the 1 millimeter, and you should be fine. And next will be usually what I do when I have a setting board, and when I practicing my car, like my car is running on the track, and if I realize my car doesn't jump straight, for example it landing like this or like this, but it never be like this, and the first thing I would do is I would just put the car on setting board, and I take it out and check the rear brake. The rear brake, let's say if I have the sponge brake, if I don't, that's same thing. I would check the brake at the back, is at the same level. I mean, like, is that the straight? You can see there's a line, right? And there's space, there's a gap. Then I will see is the straight, is the sponge brake is straight or not. Because in my opinion, the rear brake is always the last thing is touching the track before your car jump. So that's the thing. It might gonna affect your car when it's jump, is gonna be straight or not straight. Okay, so that's the thing I will always check first. Okay, and second is on the setting board, at the back of the setting board, usually I will just put, like, let's say this much of space, and I will put the sandpapers on it, because the reason why is sometimes you can see here I have the sponge brake, the blue sponge brake, and you can see I sand the sponge brake a curve shape. And how I did it, I just put the sandpapers and I put the cars on, and then because you can see I just push the car down, see there's angles already, and I start sanding it. Okay, and because the tires are usually you are usually getting the same size, even though you try to trim, you're always gonna trim the same size, right? So I just usually just push down, like, of course straight, and then sand it. When you sand it, make sure you sand it slowly, not like that. Don't sand it too fast, too hard, because that way you would damage your sponge brake. So slowly, like this, just like normal speed, and maybe couple like 5 seconds, and check it, and then check it. Okay, and see how the level that is, if it's too much or too or need more, and that's usually what I do when I having my setting board. Okay. And the third is if you are having the Tamiya tools box, is the ramen box. So the ramen box, if you don't have this divider, and you can take off, because this one usually come with a plastic divider at the center. You can take that out and just put your setting boards at the center. It will fit. So this way you can bring the setting board, and the doors also be able to close, so you won't block or like, you know, you won't be worried about you'll not be able to close the door. Okay, so that's the thing. If you can, you know, you can bring the setting board easily, and that's usually how I using the setting board. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Right, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.